Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my lovely client Jodie. She's coming today for a redesign. So I removed most of her previous design. I'm saying this now because you'll hear why. Back down to the clear layer. I done all the prep on her growth and now we're going in with design. So I've done all the prep work, and then when I started to apply my acrylic, I realised it was nude, a really light colour, and I still left a little bit of black on. So you can I kept having to go in and add more. Oh, killer. But at the end, it looked fine, and any black that was under the nail, that you could see under the nail, I just filed underneath and it was fine. So we got there in the end, but you'll see the final result. They still look stunning. So here I'm using Nude from CJP. When I use a colour once, I then seem to just be obsessed with it and want to use it on every set, like how I am with the blues, like Opium Noir and Sapphire, the two blues. I used it once and now I'm obsessed. I want everyone to have blue. But I used a nude this nude colour the other day, and then she came in and she was like, I want a nude colour. So I was like, you're having it? You're having this colour? And then we decided to go for the whole exactly same set that I did. But I didn't record it, so I'm recording this time because quite a lot of people liked it, so you can all see how I did it. So yeah, it's Nude from CJP. And when I uploaded the picture to one of the groups that I help run, or it might have even been on the CJP group, it said that they're going to discontinue it because it's not popular anymore. Absolutely devastating. It really is so underrated. Such a stunning, to be fair, when I first looked at it I thought, I don't know what I could do with that, but now I've used it, I absolutely love it. It's the perfect nude, and you know how I'm loving acrylic with shimmery tones to it. Oh, so yeah, I'm pretty upset that it's being discontinued, but it is what it is. Hopefully they change their mind. So I'm literally going to apply this to all the nails except the pointer finger, so I'll let you watch. So now we're going in with a full glitter nail. So I'm using, again, like I said, when I like something, I use it all the time. So the set that I just uploaded before this one, I used this glitter from Sonia Williams. Her website, it's called White Silver, and it's just a multi-mix platinum colour. Absolutely stunning. So I just thought I'd leave a clip of me capping just the glitter finger in. So I'm using crystal glass, put it in the cuticle area, pat it all into place, and then smooth it and drag it down the nail. So I filed, shaped, buffed, all that good stuff, removed the dust, and now I'm going in with top coat. So I'm using CJP's tack free top gloss and applying that to all the nails. So I'm using a pigment on her ring finger. So I'll cure the whole, once I've top coated, I'll cure them cure them all for a full 60 seconds in my lamp. She'll come out and I apply that pigment. So it's called, let me just look for it. So it's Indigo's Glass Me. It's called Indigo Glass Me, and it's such a really nice pigment, like a chrome effect. It looks really nice over lilac, pinks or nudes. Obviously we're using nude today. Yeah, so it's really, really lovely. Oh my god, this hair is killing me. We're not even at that part yet, are we? Jeez, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, I just dab my finger into the dust pretty much, and then just rub it on the nail. So stunning. I wanted to do it on all the nails, but we decided to go for just the one. Yeah, and then I'll top coat that, and then that's it pretty much. I'll apply my cuticle oil, again the cinnamon. I always seem to twist it either too little or too much. Like I do too little and then nothing comes out, and then I go again and too much comes out. So I'll just put it on the back of my hand, and then I'll keep dabbing into it. And here's the final result. Thanks for watching.